Assalamualaikum and hi dear student. So Alhamdulillah, I still have a chance to record a learning video for you guys. So this week, I will cover on the technique of integration. So guys, hopefully you are doing really great at home. Jangan makan banyak, okay? Alright, so before we go through to our lesson for this week, I would like to recall about the integration. So what is integration? Basically, integration is antiderivative, meaning that if we have an original function, then we differentiate. Then how to get the original function? We use integration. Okay. Alright. So we have techniques of integration. There are three techniques of integration. Do you still remember technique of differentiation? So actually this technique of integration is related to the technique of differentiation. Why? So you have used the technique of differentiation to solve the differentiations last day. So to overcome, we have a technique of integration. So you still remember, the technique of differentiations are chain rule, product rule, and quotient rule. So to overcome this technique of differentiation, in order to get back the original function, then we have a technique of integration. So they are, of course, for sure we have three techniques of integration. They are integration by substitution. The second one is integration by parts, and the third one is integration by partial fraction. So for this week, I would like to share with you only two techniques. They are integration by substitution and also integration by parts. Integration by partial fraction you will learn on next week with Madam Azrinda. Let's see the first technique of integration by substitution. So the keyword is substitution. Maksudnya substitute lah. Keyword dia. Alright. So bila substitute you gantikan. So kita akan let. Usually we let u equal to 1. For example, you have integrations of fx, with respect to x. And then we let u equal to the function. And then we have integrations of u with respect to u lah. For sure. So these are the procedure integration using substitution. So the first one is we choose a new variable which is u. Generally we use u. If we have more than one variable, then we use v. We use v. So let's say u is equal to the function. So that is the first procedure. The next step is we differentiate u with respect to x. Sebab u ada, you let u equal to the function and then you differentiate u with respect to x lah. And the third one is we determine the value of the x. And then the fourth one is we substitute u dengan function fx dengan u, and we differentiate dx dengan the new one which is du over the first derivative. And the fifth procedure is we evaluate the integral and then we return to the initial variable. So I believe some of you cannot see the flow yet. It's okay. So let's see the example, right? so that you can see the flow. Okay, now we have, okay, evaluate integrations of 5x plus 3 power of 8 dx, ya. Sebab x, so you, okay, integrate with respect to x for sure. Alright, so macam mana? Okay, you have, okay, 5x plus 3 power of 8. Okay, so ni macam mana? Okay, masalah dia adalah 5x plus 3. And then you kuasa 8. That is the problem. Kalau you ada 5x power of 8, ini you can directly integrate. The problem is you have 5x plus 3. Okay? Plus 3 tu yang, okay, you kena use technique of integration. Sama kan macam you use technique of differentiation by chain rule. Okay, so to overcome back, we use of technique of integration. So macam mana? So macam tadi, saya kata the first procedure is you have to let you. So let you dengan apa? Let you dengan 5x plus 3. Okay, kuasa 8 ni biarkan. Sebab apa? Nanti dia akan jadi, everything ni adalah u. So dia akan jadi u power of 8. So easy for you to integrate, right? Okay. So differentiate du, u with respect to x, right? So du over tx, so equal to 5. Okay. So what's next? Okay, so kita nak cari dx lah. Sebab apa kita nak cari dx? Sebab sini diberi dalam dx. So what is dx? Dx is 1 over 5 du. Okay, so what's next? So we go back to the original one, which is the integrations of 5x plus 3 power of x dx is equal to integrations of, okay, 5x plus 3 we substitute with u, so u, okay, so ada 8. What is our dx now? Our dx now is times 1 over 5 du. So bear in mind, kalau this one dalam u, you mesti integrate with respect to u. Kalau sini u, sini then you have dx, so something wrong, okay, with your integral. Okay, something wrong with your integral. So apa? Kalau u, dia mesti integrate with respect to u lah. Okay, faham ya? Okay, so macam mana nak integrate? And actually this one integrations of dia akan jadi u power of 8. Okay, 1 over 5 saya bawa ke depan times u power of 8 du kan. Alright, so macam mana? So kalau you ada constant, okay, kalau you ada constant, bawa constant ke depan. Sebab 1 over 5 times u power of 8. So macam mana nak buat constant ni you bring forward. Sebab apa? Dia darab. Kalau dia tambah, you cannot bring forward. Okay, darab kan? Okay, so nak avoid confusing. Okay, so what's next? Okay, kita bring constants, okay, to the front of integral. So 1 over 5. Yang tinggal adalah u power of 8 du. Okay, so macam mana nak buat integration? You dah belajar last week. Macam mana? Okay, kuasa tambah 1 over kuasa tambah 1. Okay, so you kena pakai square bracket. Okay, kuasa tambah 1, so u power of 9 over 9. Okay, that's all. And then you have to plus c constant, right? Sebab apa? Sebab apa? Sebab kalau you differentiate constant, you akan dapat 0. You differentiate constant, you akan dapat 0. So bila you integrate, okay, kalau you tak plus c, so tak ada lah yang constant tu tadi. Okay, so that's why you have to put c. Okay, so c ni adalah constant lah. So now, this is not the final answer yet. Sebab apa? Sebab soalan dia adalah integrate 5x plus 3. Tapi now you have u and then you have to substitute back what is your u. So ini 1 over 5 times 1 over 9. Okay, so you have a 1 over 45. Okay, u adalah okay 5x plus 3 power of 9. Don't forget to plus c. Okay, that's all. That's the answer. Okay, not too difficult. Alright.